When it comes to maximizing space and efficiency in your laundry routine, a stackable washer and dryer set is a game changer. These compact and versatile appliances are designed to fit neatly into closets, apartments, or smaller laundry rooms without compromising on performance. Whether you're looking for a sleek front-loading duo or an energy-efficient pair with smart features, finding the best stackable washer and dryer can make a significant difference in your home. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best stackable washer dryers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Electrolux Smartboost Front Load Washer and Dryer. Electrolux's Smartboost washing machine aced our stain removal test because it mixes the detergent with water before it enters the tub for better penetration and stain removal. The washer also has a steam mode for sanitizing clothes and lifting dirt out of fabrics. You'll also find convenient features like a reversible door, interior light, and a 15-minute speed cycle. Another perk? Electrolux solved the annoying problem of laundry packs that don't fully dissolve with its innovative adaptive dispenser. This means there's no need to toss packs directly into the tub since the washer has a dedicated chamber for them. As the water hits the chamber, the pack opens, flushing the detergent into your load. Our biggest complaint is its longer wash cycles. Some are as long as 2 hours. It's also worth mentioning that the Electrolux lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, so there's no way to remotely monitor cycles. The stackable dryer also features a convenient 15-minute quick cycle to freshen clothes, whether you want to smooth wrinkles or remove odors. Number 4. Samsung 5.2 cubic feet front load washer and dryer. This latest Samsung washer is a larger, updated version of a previous model we've tested, with many of the same smart features and top-notch performance that helped it earn a spot on our guide to the best washers. During our tests, we found the app to be user-friendly, allowing for remote control of the washer, including starting and stopping washes, scheduling cycles, and receiving alerts when the cycle is finished. Perhaps most surprisingly, after just a few uses, the washer learned our favorite wash cycle settings, eliminating the need for programming. It also detects the soil level on clothes and automatically adjusts wash settings for proper cleaning. On top of its impressive cleaning ability, the washer was also quiet during operation. Our testers also noted that the matching dryer offers flexible installation options, allowing for stacking or side-by-side placement. For a stacked configuration, a convenient feature lets you control the dryer directly from the washer's control panel, eliminating the need to stretch in order to reach the dryer's high control panel. The stacking kit is sold separately. Number 3. LG WashTower Laundry Center. LG's WashTower pioneered the modernized laundry center. Its innovative design combines a washer with either a gas or electric dryer in a single unit, with the dryer stacked on top. Better yet, it's 3.5 inches shorter than a traditional stacked washer-dryer pair, so you can conveniently tuck it away in a closet. The cleaning lab was particularly impressed by the appliance's user-friendly design, including its luxurious-looking exterior and tempered glass doors. The conveniently placed center control panel for both the washer and dryer eliminated the need for excessive stretching to reach the dryer's controls, especially for our petite testers. It was also easy to load and unload. Special features like the steam option were a welcome bonus, allowing for quick refreshes of lightly worn garments, but most impressive were its speedy yet effective cleaning cycles with excellent stain removal. The appliance uses AI to automatically select water temperature, wash motions, and drying temperature for each load to help save energy and reduce laundry times. It's also worth noting that even after 2 years of use, our test machine continues to function flawlessly and has remained odor-free. And while the machines can be separated for repairs, you cannot fully replace one or the other. Number 2. GE UltraFresh Vent System. Washer and electric dryer. This sleek washer and dryer set from a GE comes at a great price for 2 full-size, fully featured machines. You just have to buy the washer and dryer separately. The washing machine holds up to 32 loads worth of detergent, so you don't have to worry about refilling it constantly. And it also automatically dispenses the correct amounts for each cycle. The washer has a fresh air venting cycle to dry the drum interior and door gasket to prevent water and mold buildup, which should eliminate any musty smell that can develop in front-loading machines. Plus, moisture-prone areas like the gasket, dispenser drawer, and hose are treated with microban to also eliminate bacteria growth and control odors. All of these functions and cycles can be chosen with the easy-to-use app that comes with the machine, which also allows for voice control on Amazon Alexa, Android, Google, Sonos, and iOS smart home devices. In addition to the efficiency and effectiveness of the wash cycles, reviewers loved the visibility provided by the drum light, as well as the door steam option. The dryer can be linked to the washer, so it knows and selects the correct cycle for the load coming its way. It offers the unique option to wash and dry in the washing machine. This one-step wash and dry cycle is 8 hours long and is designed to be run overnight for small loads or single pieces of clothing. Number 1. Samsung Bespoke Stackable Front-Load Washer and Dryer. This latest Samsung washer is a larger, updated version of a previous model we've tested, with many of the same smart features and top-notch performance that helped it earn a spot on our guide to the best washers. During our tests, we found the app to be user-friendly, allowing for remote control of the washer, including starting and stopping washes, scheduling cycles, and receiving alerts when the cycle is finished. Perhaps most surprisingly, after just a few uses, the washer learned our favorite wash cycle settings, eliminating the need for programming. It also detects the soil level on clothes and automatically adjusts wash settings for proper cleaning. On top of its impressive cleaning ability, the washer was also quiet during operation. Our testers also noted that the matching dryer offers flexible installation options, allowing for stacking or side-by-side placement. For a stacked configuration, a convenient feature lets you control the dryer directly from the washer's control panel, eliminating the need to stretch in order to reach the dryer's high control panel. The stacking kit is sold separately. Here are the best stackable washer dryers. If this video resonates with you, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or ideas for our next review, or just want to chat, feel free to drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.